Good morning to all. Welcome to our session. Today we are knowing about types of polarizations happened in dielectric materials. We have four types of polarizations named as 1. Electronic polarization, electronic polarization, electronic polarization. 2. Ionic polarization. 3. Orientation or polarization, orientation or polar dipolarization. And fourth one is space charge polarization, space charge polarization. These are the four polarizations occurred in dielectric material when a dielectric material is placed in the presence of external electric field. Now I am taking here, this is a conducting plate where a conducting plate A has positive applied field and conducting plate B is given to negative applied field, and this positive and negative applied fields created a field on this area is equal to E bar. This is the field intensity created in between these two conducting plates. Depend upon the material, type of material where we are taking between these two materials is creating some type of polarization. Suppose this is a dielectric. Now this is called as dielectric. If this dielectric is manufactured with the atoms or dielectric is formed with the atoms, this is called atom. If the dielectric is formed with the atoms, then this dielectric, in this dielectric we have electronic polarization. So atomic dielectric creates electronic polarization. This is first one. And if the dielectric is formed with the ions, we know that two ions are there, positive ion and negative ion, like this. If this dielectric is formed with the ions, then this dielectric is called as a ionic dielectric. This ionic dielectric forms a polarization called as ionic polarization. And third one, if the dielectric is formed with the molecules. Molecules means if the basic component is formed with two or more number of atoms, then it is called as a molecule. So what is a molecule? So if the dielectric is formed with the molecule, so it is called as a molecular dielectric. So this molecular dielectric forms the orientation polarization or molecular polarization. So this is orientation polarization. And if this dielectric, whatever it is, whether it is atomic or ionic or molecular dielectric, whatever it is, in this dielectric, when it is placed in the presence of magnetic electric field applying positive and negative, then inside this there is a opposite charges to the field is developed inside the surface, like this. This is the opposite fields are created in this way. So this is negative. So here what is there? A spare charge of positive, and here it is a spare charge of negative is formed. And due to this space charge, we have a polarization called as a space charge polarization. And now, respective to these three values, we can observe that these four types of polarizations in the presence of external electric field. Now, here also we will take the frequency dependence of these four polarizations. The frequency dependence of polarizations are explained like this. Frequency dependence. dependence of polarizations. Now, the frequency dependence of polarization means here we are applying the electric field. The applied electric field has certain frequency. So, take that the frequency is changing from 1 Hz to several 10 power 16 Hz like this. If the applied frequency value is changing from 1 Hz to 10 power 16 Hz, and what type of polarization is observed in this frequency, that is to be examined here. And now, if the frequency is changing from f is changing from between 1 Hz to 10 power 3 Hz, up to this frequency we are observed space charge polarization, comma, ionic orientation polarization, comma, ionic polarization, comma, electronic polarization. So, 4 types of polarizations are observed below the applied frequency is 10 power 3 Hz. If the frequency is beyond, that means frequency is more than 10 power 3 Hz and less than or between 10 power 6 Hz up to 10 power 6 Hz, there we observed that only the orientation polarization, ionic polarization, electronic polarization, these three are observed up to 10 power 6 Hz frequency. If the frequency range is beyond more than 10 power 6 up to 10 power 12 Hz, up to from 10 power, this may be taken as 10 power 8 also, 10 power 9 Hz to 10 power 12 Hz. We have only ionic polarization and electronic polarization. Only 2 polarizations are observed. And the frequency is above 10 power 12, greater than 10 power Hz, 12 Hz. Only electronic polarization is observed. Up to 10 power 15 Hz. So, what you have observed? So, at 10 power 15 Hz, only electronic polarization. Up to 10 power 12 Hz, the electronic and ionic polarization. Up to 10 power 8 Hz, orientation, ionic and electronic polarization. Up to 10 power 3, space charge, orientation, ionic and electronic. 4 polarizations are observed below 10 power 3 Hz. This can be shown with a small graph. Taking this is the graph on frequency is taken on x-axis, and you are taking the polarization values of alpha value on y-axis, and there here it is you are showing 10 power 4 Hz onwards. Up to 10 power 4 Hz, what is the alpha orientation? This alpha orientation is observed up to 10 power 8 Hz. And once the 10 power 8 Hz is crossed, it is get dropped, and only we have this orientation. What is this? Alpha ionic, and the alpha ionic is also get dropped when it is equal to 10 power 12 Hz, and there we have only electronic polarization up to 10 power 15 Hz beyond that value. So this is the range. What is called alpha E. Electronic polarization value is small, ionic polarization is value is high, orientation polarization is very high. So this sum of polarizations, alpha total polarization values is equal to alpha space charge plus alpha orientation plus alpha ionic plus alpha electronic. This is total polarizability of the sample when it is placed in the presence of electric field. This is called as the frequency dependence of polarization. Means at all the frequencies we are not observed all the polarizations, only certain range of the frequencies some of the polarizations are observed, and that can be explained by frequency dependence of polarization. So this is called as a frequency dependence of polarization. Thank you.